back to my channel. Today I'm doing my Juno and Co Lucky Bag unboxing. They had this on December 26th for $25. You can get up to $100 worth of product, so let's just start in what I got. I got the Juno and Co Microfiber Fusion Sponge. There's what that little guy looks like. Kind of nice. What's this in here? Oh, he even has a little guide on how to clean it. How cute. And that was worth $6. Then I got the Juno and Co, another blender. I think it's for like contour or something. I'm not sure. This one. And this one. Okay, where are you? This is called the Squeeze Me Sponge, and this was $3. And I have these things. I am not sure what these are. They might be drawer pulls. I'm not really sure because I could not find them on the website, so I can't really price them. So they're cute, but then I have 2 lashes for $1 each. This one is Boom Mad Love by Juno and Co. And this one is Wow Lashes. I will be passing those on. They're $1 each, so I don't wear lashes. Then I have 2 lip products by Focalure. This one is number 20 in lavender. It is a purple. I haven't opened it yet. I have too many lipsticks open at this point. And this one is Brave, number 18, and it looks like that. Those lipsticks retail for $11 each, according to the Focalure website. Let's see. Then we got this palette, the Summer Nights palette. I think this retails $10 from what I could find, because they don't have it on the website anymore. Very nice cover. And this is the palette. Very pretty. Let's see how they perform. Holy crap. That's not bad for $10. That's pretty good. That is pretty awesome. So this is worth $10. Okay. Then I got, what are you? This is a lipstick There's the color there. It is number 4. Charm, Noble Color, number 4. So that's pretty. And this one is $4 according to the website I found it on. Because they're not on the Juno and Co website. These kind of remind me of the Louboutin lipsticks with the fringe on it. So, and then the last thing I got is this Dew Color Mermaid Makeup Brush Set. Let's see. Oh, that's where I opened it from. Comes in this nice little case with a little seashell zipper pull. It's cute. Looks like you get 10 brushes in here. Cute. These look pretty nice. Really soft. Let's see. It says you get a powder brush, a blush brush, a foundation brush, big eyeshadow brush, mid eyeshadow brush, small eyeshadow brush, blending brush, eyebrow brush, concealer brush, and a lip brush. So that's pretty good. That's not bad. And these brushes retail for $12.99. Oh, I got one more thing. I got the gel eyeliner. It was like I gave that to Mom because I don't use eyeliner. And that eyeliner retailed for $1.50.
You want
So, no.
Okay.
So the grand total of the box without the price of the drawer pulls, because I have no idea how to price them, is $61.49. So that's not bad for a $25 Lucky Bag. So that's not too bad. My unboxing of the Juno Lucky Bag. And anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.